Here comes the Empress.
Boss shit! Hey, give it to me. Thank you. What's up?
All done?
Yep. The shop is looking super. I intend to open tomorrow.
That's great. Let's celebrate, guys. Yeah.
What's up?
You look harassed.
I have to get to the Registrar General's department before they close. I don't have too much time.
Sister, relax. Have a life. Can't you do this tomorrow?
No, I intend to start the process today. Although I don't relish the queues, Goro boys and the like.
You can do it online.
Eh?
Yes, they've gone electronic now. You don't have to physically go to their premises to register your business anymore. You can get your certificates electronically as well.
Hey, are you sure? So you mean I can sit right here and register my business?
Definitely. All you need is your tax identification number and a valid email address to register as a portal account user.
Let's do this.
This house has been the past few weeks, so it's always business, business, business.
First things first. I have to register my business, then I know I am really in business.
That's the way to go. Put the structure together. It shows you're serious.
Exactly.
Yes, you can now register your business online. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Simply enter www.rgdeservices.com in your browser. Register as a portal account user with your tax identification number and a valid email address. Now log into the portal. Fill all spaces, including mandatory fields. Confirm details. Pay fees electronically using Visa, MasterCard, or mobile money. Generate your certificates and profiles online and print. Now, your business is registered.
So, what if my email has changed?
Oh, you can update your information at any GRA office.
That was easy.
Wait, so you mean you just registered your business?
Just like that.
Wow.
You can now generate your certificates electronically. Just print and frame.
Wow! Now I am a proper business woman.
Yeah.
To make our nation better. Oh, to make our nation better.
Register your business online today. It's simple, straightforward, and stress-free.
Nation better.